I wasn't able to use the audio for this part, guys, because there was music playing in the background, but this is Ernest, and he works at Zan's Bar and Restaurant, and he was basically just showing me around and explaining that the restaurant is fairly new, and they also have apartments right next door. And I really love how it was set up. I love the scenery as well. And I love how there's a rooftop area where you can go up, have a nice gathering or get together. Or you can just chill down at the bottom. They got the music, the bar. And yeah, so definitely will check this place out next time I'm in the area. Hey guys, today I'm at the beach. There's so many different beaches in Ghana, and this is my first time at the Kokrobite beach. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But we came to the Sankofa beach resort, and this is so relaxing. The weather feels amazing. As soon as I got here, I just put my bag down and I just came down to the beach to just take a walk. When I was in Ghana, when I was living here for 2 years, I didn't do enough of this. So I told myself, when I relocate here, I'm gonna definitely do more of this. Self-care is very important. You gotta get away. You gotta get away. And I don't wanna forget why I wanted to relocate to Ghana in the first place, right? The freedom of being able to wake up and do what I wanna do every day. The access, the community, the list goes on, but I don't want to forget exactly why I wanted to come here. I got to do more of this, you know?